Welcome to the Pegasus Solar Wire Management training video. Wire management and Pegasus Rail system is fast, easy, and permanently eliminates problems of loose or dangling wire. Begin by placing all trunk cable in the open rail channel. Simply twist the MLPE mounts in the rail where you want to install microinverters. Insert the microinverter in the mount and secure. Connect trunk cable to the inverters. Insert wire clips to keep cables secured in the channel. The wire clips click in place and will not slip. To install an optimizer, place an MLPE mount in the rail and twist. Attach and fasten the optimizer. Run the cable under the mount into the rail channel. Secure the cable using wire clips. Use a cable grip to fasten excess cable. Twist the cable grip into the channel. Remove any excess slack in the cable and tighten. The stainless steel cable grip teeth provide a permanent hold. Pegasus Rail system keeps all your wire and cable neatly secured for a lifetime of great performance. Using these tips will help you have cleaner and more efficient wire management and have a better day on the job.